Hola, welcome everyone. Bienvenidos a todos. This is Mr. Briggs bringing you the Spanish word of the day. Today's word is the word rude. How do you say rude in Spanish? But before that, I'm not going to be rude. I will extend you a warm invitation to subscribe by clicking that red button. And guess what? It's 100% free. Okay, amigos, let us begin. Mal educado if you're a male, or mal educada means rude, like this guy here. He's mal educado. Muy bien. If you want to say I'm not rude, you would say yo no soy mal educado. Yo no soy mal educado. Now, if you're rude, you would say yo soy mal educado. If you're a female, you would say yo no soy mal educada. I'm not rude. Yo no soy mal educada. Look at this guy. Él es mal educado. Ooh, he's rude. Él es mal educado. This lady, ella es mal educada. Ooh, ella es mal educada. She's rude. Chill, lady, chill. Ella es mal educada. Siguiente ejemplo, next example. He was rude. Él fue mal educado. She was rude. Ella fue mal educada. Ella fue mal educada. She was rude. Now, these phrases are very important for you to memorize. If you want to learn a bit more about ser and estar, make sure you double check my playlist where I discuss these verbs. Okay, so let's review. Maleducado, M-A-L-E-D-U-C-A-D-O, or ends with an A if you're a female. Please, amigos, leave your comments, your comentarios. I really want to know what do you think about these new formats of videos. This will help you enhance your vocabulary and to progress in your journey to learning Spanish. Okay, amigos, take care, cuídate, and hasta mañana. Chao, chao.